Like and share this video, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon for any query, comment below.
Hello and welcome. Now in the first section of this course we are gonna learn Kotlin, the basics of Kotlin programming language, and it will be very short and easy section for you guys just to prepare you for the next sections. As you know guys, we are gonna use Kotlin programming language to build our Android applications. That's why we need to learn some of the basics of Kotlin. Okay, so if you have any experience with Kotlin, even if you know the basics, then you need or you can skip this whole section, okay, and move to the next section. But if you do not write any Kotlin code before, so probably you need to watch this section. So first step will be to learn Kotlin. Now to learn Kotlin we need actually to do one thing, which is install a program or a software that we can write our Kotlin code inside of it. Okay, so there are more than one option for you guys. Okay, so the first one will be to install a text editor or an IDE or a place where we can write our Kotlin code inside it on your PC. Okay, and you can go with your own choice. There are a lot of text editors out there that you can use. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that you have one installed in your PC, whether it's your Sublime or it's an IntelliJ or NetBeans or whatever that you have. But if you do not have one, so you can just open Google Chrome, and as you can see here we have this IntelliJ IDE. Now the IntelliJ is just a name, but the IDE, it's actually, here we have this IDE. It's just integrated development environment. Okay, this word stands for integrated development environment. Okay, or it's just an environment where we can write or build our own applications. Okay, so you can guys go with download any of this software if you do not have anyone, and I'm not gonna show you the steps of download it because first of all it's totally optional for you. I'm gonna show you another solution. Okay, but if you want to download it and keep it on your PC, so you can Google it for something like this, install IntelliJ IDE, and you will find a lot of tutorials that will help you with installing this IDE. But if you still get an error, then probably or you can send me a message and I will be glad to help you. But the installation, it's a little bit tricky, and it's need to download some other stuff with the program itself. So I have another solution for you. Now you can search for online Kotlin compiler, and essentially it's just another place to write our own code, but it's not on our PC. It does not require to download any software. It is just online. Okay, so as you can see, it's work the same as our software in our PC, but it's just online. Now guys, you can go with the option that you prefer, whether you choose the online compiler or it's local or on your PC compiler. I'm gonna leave the choice for you, but just at the end, my point here, at the end you need to get a Kotlin compiler. Okay, whether any text editor that you prefer, it's not you do not need to go further and further with these steps, because as I said, we need to learn the basics. Okay, we are not gonna deeper and deeper inside of it. We are just gonna take some time to learn Kotlin. Okay, so go ahead guys and prepare your text editor for the next lecture. And for me, I'm gonna use the IntelliJ IDE. I have it already installed in my PC. Okay, and I'm just gonna use it as an instructor. I cannot use the online compiler, but you as a student, you can definitely and totally you can use the online compiler and it's work the same. So guys, go ahead and prepare the text editor that you prefer. We are gonna learn Kotlin, the basics of Kotlin in this section, just to prepare you for the next upcoming sections. And yeah, we are gonna start from the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you soon.